Hey everyone, Ricky here. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 3 different ways that you can train your conversational AI inside of High Level. The 3 different ways are through frequently asked questions, using URLs on your website, or using a Google Doc to help train your conversational AI. By the end of this video, you should have your conversational AI trained so that it can respond properly to you or your client's customers. So let's get started. All right, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to head to the settings tab in your sub account that you're planning to use, and then head to Conversational AI. Now that we're in Conversational AI, I'm going to walk you through some of the settings. The first setting is suggestive. This is where it gives you suggestions when you're manually responding to customers. The second one that we're going to focus on today is autopilot. This is where you let the conversational AI respond on its own. Next up, we'll have the suggested channels. This is where you select the channels that you want to use the conversational AI in. You have Instagram, Facebook, SMS, Google My Business, the chat widget, or live chat. After that, we're going to set up the business name for our conversational AI. Next, we're going to set up the autopilot mode and how long it waits before responding to your customers. We also want to add the maximum amount of messages that you can send to your customers. I'm going to select 10. This is important because conversational AI costs money, so you don't want this to be set to unlimited because you don't want customers to keep talking back and forth with the AI, which could end up costing you a lot of money. Here it shows the pricing where currently it costs 2 cents per response, which is less than half the price that it used to be. And then I'm going to click Save. Next, I'm going to show you how to configure intents. On the top of the page, select Configure Intents. Here's where we can select the booking options. Make sure that you have appointment booking turned on, and we can select a calendar to choose from. Next, you have the option to select if you want the bot to automatically book the appointment or if you want the bot to send a link for the customer to book an appointment from. And here at the bottom, we have conversational flow. This is where we can enter questions for the bot to ask before it will send a booking link. All right, now I'm going to show you how to train the bot on a website URL. On the top here, I want you to head to bot training. You have 3 options when entering the domain. You can do the exact URL, all URLs within the path, or all URLs in the domain. I'm going to select the exact URL. And now we're going to enter a URL. And then we're going to click Get Data. After waiting a few seconds, the data has been uploaded and now it's been trained. If for some reason it doesn't load, you can try refreshing by clicking the refresh button right here. Now that I've trained the bot on this website, I want to test it out to make sure that it's working correctly. Let me show you some information from this website, and then we'll head over to the trial and we'll see if it gathered the information correctly. All right, here's the website that I have it trained on. Let me scroll down to the bottom of the page where I have frequently asked questions set up. And right here, I have asked the question, how far in advance should I book? And I said, we usually recommend booking 6 months in advance. Now you're going to see bot trial on the top of the page, and we're going to select that. And I'm just going to start it by saying hello. And then it's asking how it can assist me today. So I'm going to ask the question, how far in advance should I book my event? Now the bot has responded, we usually recommend booking our event 6 months in advance. There you have it. It's been trained on the website. Now let me show you the next method of training it on a document. Here I have a document where I put company details. Now I'm going to select share at the top and make sure that I have allowed anyone with the link to be able to view this, and you can leave it set on viewer and then click done. Now that this is publicly available for anyone to see, I can select the URL at the top of the page, and similar to how we set the website URL, we will paste the document URL. All right, now that we've entered the document, we're going to select Get Data, and it's going to load just like it did for the website. Now let me head to bot trial to make sure that this bot has been trained correctly on the documents. All right, let me start it by saying hello. Can you tell me more about your venue? And the bot responds with details that I entered in the document, such as the location, how many people it can hold, etc. All right, now let me show you how to train the bot through questions and answers. So if we head back to bot training, under where we enter the URL, you can see a Q&A spot. All you need to do is select Add Q&A and add your question here. For example, here I put, how early should I book my event? And next I put, we recommend booking your event at least 4 months in advance. All right, now I want to show you one last thing, and that's how you can fix errors. So let's say someone asks a question that the bot hasn't been trained on. And it says, I'm sorry, I don't have the information to help you with your question. So in this example, I asked, is there room for a lot of parking? I have not trained the bot on this information yet, so it responds that, I'm sorry, I don't have the information. All right, now if we click the thumbs down, a pop-up will come up with a Q&A, and then we can enter our answer right here and train the bot accordingly. And that's all for today. Now you should be well on your way to setting up a conversational bot. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.